Today, we will be working on making a program that should help us design like a GUI for finances, basically. We got our first Patreon today, and yeah, it's pretty cool. We're gonna do the actual console application first, that way we know we're actually okay with with like the actual file writing, and then once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and try and find a way to turn it to a GUI, graphical user interface. So let's just go ahead, in order to save time, let's just make sure that that's not going to be used. Alright, so we're going to need to have two files, the actual Python script and the file that it'll be reading how much money that we have. So, well, per month, of course. Let's go ahead and create a new file. Let's just call it money, have it be text, and there we go. We have a new file that the Python file can read from. So now we've got that, let's go ahead and open that file. Crud. I'm gonna need to do some quick research. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it as money, and let's go ahead and make it for read, just for now. Now, we're going to have a starting point of $10 per month, because that'll give us a list, and that'll just give us the value of the list. So I'm assuming each new line will be another value. And if I'm not correct, that should take the first line of the file, which is 10, and then printing it. Only issue is, we're still running a different one. Let's try this again. Invalid syntax. That's just lovely. Try that again. Always have to remember to convert it back to strings. That's good to remember. You have none dollars per month. Oh, maybe it's because... Gosh, I need to clean my desk. Awesome, so now we've got a weird bracket thing around our true value. It'd be nice if we could get rid of that, but I think that's okay for now. So that'll ask it what we want to buy or how much it costs. Well, it'll ask us. Alright. If question 1 is less than so pretty much why this has no value inside of it is because we're just using it to join the list. Not the string, the list, the brackets, and the parentheses, apostrophe. What the? Shut up. Feel stupid. This is probably a really simple problem. Oh, I didn't.
There we go. Selected str. Well, question 1. Oh. Since the input is automatically just a string. So if we fix that.
This is in our budget. Woo! Okay. Awesome. So, now we've got an approximation. Now, Now what we could do is create a program, another piece, a branch, that would subtract the amount that you pay for it if you wanted to pay for it. So let's go ahead and do that. I have to go eat, and then I'll be back probably to finish this. Alright, so I'm back. For some reason, it doesn't appear to be reading that there is... Should we just say this is a file type? Hey. You look loaded.
Oh. I did not find any evidence, but I did find something really cool.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
I thought it was pretty sick.
So it appears as though it's creating a file if we use the append function, but we don't want to use the append function, the mode, append mode, because we want it to replace the amount of money that is in that file. All the W plus. Shut up.
For this guest speaker to them, and he said no. I threw taco sauce at Miss Spangle. That was a good day. Taco sauce was everywhere, even in their nightmares.
That is hot. Yes! I got it to work. Cool.
Ah! My foot!
Are you okay?
Why do I keep kicking your stuff?
No, that's like an expensive electronics cabinet, too.
Oh my gosh. Wait a minute.
What?
Where's the front of the cabinet?
Oh well. I think we should be all good. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and catch you next time. So, this is pretty much the program in practice. This is the money folder, the money file. It has a value of, let's set it to $10. Save. Set it to $10. This is financial advice and help page. We have $10 in our account for this month. What is the value of the item you'd like to buy? Hayden, how much money is below 10?
$4.
So we want to buy something that's $4. We'd input that, and it says it's in our budget. And we could say yes or no to this if we wanted to buy it. And we now have $6 in the monthly account after purchase. And it'll update that after the program has been run. It's a nice little exercise, and I think we could do more with it. Next weekend I can work on the GUI aspect.
Yeah.
That would take very long. Just for the sake that I haven't worked on GUI as much as I have with the Python console. But yeah, thanks for watching.